we are going to do some division of numbers that have decimals in them. And this is going to involve long division. Here's a typical question that you might look at. We'll start kind of simple. 36 and 8/10 divided by 4. So what that means, basically, when you look at a question like this, is it's asking, when it says 36 and 8/10 divided by 4, we want to see how many times 4 will go into or fit into this number here, 36 and 8/10. Okay. Now when you set that up, it's going to look something like this. That's how we'll set it up. This number, let's see, this number right here is referred to as the divisor. This one right here is referred to as the dividend. And the divisor always goes on the outside here of this funny little bracket. And the dividend always goes under the hood there. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay, so now that we've got to that step, let's talk about how this long division business works. Now, when you have a decimal in it, before you do anything else, you should probably move the decimal where it needs to go. So our answer is going to go up in this area. That's where our answer is going to go. So we're going to put the decimal up there just so we don't forget about it. So there's our decimal. And in this division, it is lined up. We always do line up the decimals. Okay, so this is how it's going to go. So first we take our 4 and we go, does 4 go into 3? Does it go into 3? Absolutely not. It's too big to go into 3. So if you'd like, and you don't have to do this, but you can put a 0 there if you'd like, indicating that 4 goes into 3 0 times. So then we look at our bigger number, 36, and we think, how many times does 4 go into 36? I guess I picked a big number right off the bat here, but just think for a bit. How many times will 4 fit into 36? Okay, it will go 9 times. Okay, so that 9 goes over the 6 because that indicates that we're dealing with the number 36. So once we've done that, now we go 9 times 4. 9 times 4. Whoa. 9 times 4. Sorry, I'm having trouble with my board here. 9 times 4 is 36 because it was exact. Okay, it's not always exact. So now we go 36, take away 36, gives us 0. We still have this 8 to work with. So we bring down the 8. How many times does 4 go into 8? Okay, that's the one we're working with now. How many times does 4 go into 8? Oh, for Pete's sakes. It goes in there twice. Goes into 8 twice. So then we do put our 2 up there. We go 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract them, and we get 0. And when we have a 0 down there, we know we're done. There's nothing left over. Everything fit in evenly and nicely, and that's a good sign, okay, when we have a 0 down there.